Mac City, Mac City, Mac City, Mac City.
It's got to be fun as hell on the forward. And my shoes are going to be filled full of sand.
It's the problem about sand. He always comes back with you.
My shoes are made to breathe, right?
Yeah.
The question becomes is, oh, fuck.
What?
Oh, well, there's a lot of fucking hiking. You missed the whole way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I was just thinking about, like, this is cool as fuck, but do we really want to be doing this?
Maybe. If we can find a nice little place to get off of, too.
Yeah, and then when we come back, we'll just go back on the highway.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah, we'll cut over.
So we could pick a spot anywhere in here.
Those giant crab sandballs?
Yeah?
No, they're not. I don't know what that is.
What are they?
They look like sandballs. They have my sunglasses on. Here, let's see them.
No, they're sponges.
Oh, wow. It's like alien.
They're like alien sponge balls. I don't know what those things are. But the trail we're on to over the road trail. And I already got like a boot full of sand for my breathers on the top of my boot. Almost have to like check them off. So they get wholesale $5 a plant for those aloe veras, right?
Yeah.
I wonder what the retail was, right?
Probably double at least. 100%. 200%.
Yeah. Usually, right? Yeah, usually. So if they're getting for a 6-inch plant $5, like you can look at Home Depot, and if Home Depot's 10 or 15, then you're at least at that, right?
Yeah.
You know, particularly if you start making like videos about like healthy living and how to use it and link it to, you know?
Yeah, that's guys, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, like back in there, right?
It's not bad.
Right. I think that's the way we're gonna go, to be able to have that tree space so we can put the hammocks up. It looks like that's how the forest goes between here and the road.
Yeah.
Maybe this is our hike, right? This is 2 hours in. Tomorrow we get up, truck around, have some bacon, and
Well, do you think we make it to the blue coral?
yeah, it's a 2-hour hike, but we make it at night.
Yeah, yeah. Well, let's
so
just find a good spot. We'll rest up and
Yeah, so it's 2 hours down and 2 hours back, so it's 4 hours of hiking tomorrow.
I love that.
Yeah. But I wanted to try to get through this as far as possible.
Yeah, yeah.
And you can see the forest. Oh, now it goes to the north. See how it goes down?
Yeah.
You can see it from this hill over here. And so we're gonna walk into that forest. That's probably the one we want to go get lost in.
Oh yeah. I know. Imagine flying down this at 100 miles an hour.
Yeah. You're gonna pick it up. We're not back of that trail. This is like a trail.
Hiya! Yeah. I nicked my side a couple times sheathing my machete though.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. See a nice swing.
Wait till the top of that next hill
Yeah.
and do the hill.
All right.
I think that's only about 10 minutes away.
Yeah, it's a damn game trail.
Yeah. I know, so we'd have to go into where those trees are and then turn left or right to get away from the green trail.
Yeah, you see it right there. It runs across this road.
Yeah. It's a big game trail. And we have to think that our friend.
Oh, these machetes are sweet. Clean this site up. We're gonna make it work.
They're coming after me.
I don't know, but yeah, they are.
They're buzzing on my head. Yeah, the nice thing is the ground's soft. Just lay on the ground.
I know, yeah. It's like sleeping on the beach.
Conservation Corps in the 30s.
I don't remember them. Them were dark times, brother.
Yeah.
Oh,
FDR, the communist, was incarcerating Japanese Americans.
yeah. Oh, it's about 3 in the morning. We're freezing to death. We packed like fools. So I gotta find some firewood to warm us back up.
To save us.
This is all we got to keep us
Save
alive.
us, son.
It's low 50. It's all of low 50s right now. We're gonna go find a bear to cuddle up with. Oh. Bear line's okay. I thought I saw some logs over here. Ooh. That's not the way. That is not the way. This is the way. Not much. Oh, there's not much over here. We've been up since like 2:30. It's now like hold on, 6:22. No, I got this going.
Oh, you're doing a video.
Yeah, we've been got the sun getting ready to come up now. Probably cannot see it at all with this, but it is. And getting ready to go. We're just going to grabbing what little wood we can find, keeping the fire fed to stay warm. The cooking's gotten pretty bad too. It's been hanging out around the fire. Oh, we got some footy of the Dakar rally. It's happening. You get it right here, and then we bodies in the middle of the road. Oh, okay. Well, it's not a campfire ranger. It's the real deal.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. If it's too hot to touch, it's too hot to leave.
Those fucking dogs.
Instead of going through the 4x4 trail, we're gonna take the trail. Oh yeah, it's this way. Oh, this is good. This was home. Goodbye. I know. I don't want to leave. Like, I just want to live here now. Class 2. Hello, Marco. Marco. What is that? What is that's a deer, man.
Yeah.
The hoob.
It's a big one.
Nah.
But down here it's a big one. Where
Yeah.
I'm from, it ain't.
I bet you that don't even get it. It looks terrible. All right, which way? I see a little old spooky trail down that way. Oh yeah, here we go. These machetes are awesome. All right, back it up. It's a thicket.
Yeah, they get down when they go through, though. They can go through lower. We're just trying to figure out like which is your lead.
If you want, I'll lead. I got the Super Blocker 9000s on.
I got it. You lead because I feel bad about making you go through. I could push my way through, right? But
All right, don't watch. Okay, watch her swinging that thing. Oh, those are brambles. Oh yeah, my turn. Hey. Oh. Now we are. All right, what do we got here?
That's scat. That's bear scat.
No, that's a human turd right there. I know one when I see one.
Yeah.
It's a dog turd. Marco, it's hard as a rock though, folks. So it's definitely we'd see the heat coming off of it. All right, we're about 100 feet from the road. This little deer spot right here. Someone was laying down. Ground's all rutted up. I've got the spear of Gondor. We'll be all right. Another one. Another one.
I think we're getting near the road because the brush is getting thick.
Cactuses are markers. All right, hopefully we don't come back to the car. We just got out of the woods right there. Gotta do our GoPro. We got the concentrated frickin' Cusband brand Mountain Dew here. This is the kind you buy for your husband.
Hey, did I get my water jar? It's generate off, and you know, it's junk. It's junk. Nobody got hurt, right?
Yeah.
Nobody got a little bit of.
Oh, that's like a Baja truck right there. Hell yeah, brother. He's got them dogs. There they are. There's them dogs. That's the ones we heard. They were howling.
Blue thick hound. Is it cold?
It's freezing. You want to dip your toes first. Crystal clear. I don't think there'd be a gator in this, though.
Yeah.
How cold it is, yeah.
Well, it's nice knowing you, there is.
I don't know, could be. Do you like it at 60?